Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best TradingView chart layout. So let's dive into it. For a clear and effective TradingView setup, use a multi-time frame layout, one chart for short-term trend between 1 to 15 minutes and another for medium term between 1 to 4 hours, and a third for long time, which is daily or weekly. So this also helps you see the full market picture quickly. You can also keep it clean with the essential indicator like moving average, the RSI and the volume. And this also marks the key support and the resistance level with color coded timelines. So save it as a template to load instantly whenever you trade. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more charting tips, and comment which layout you would like to trade first. And that's it.